See, a lot of my listeners care about AI. So I am going to jump into that because you're coming from, probably the world's largest AI user, both Amazon and Amazon Web Services, right? So now you have talked a lot about governance, trust, and responsible. You didn't use the word AI, but I'm going to paraphrase it, right?
The early frenzy where people were reaching out to us and going, we want to use AI, help us figure out how to use AI. So it's like a tool in search of a problem. So that's where we were about 2 to 3 years ago. People were, desperate to use AI.
Every CEO in any industry are now feeling the FOMO of not using AI as a part of their strategy because they're afraid that they'll be left behind with this technology, unlike anything else that humankind has invented in the last century, right? So please continue. Yeah, so this is a big pressure situation for a number of CEOs in the healthcare industry.
People were so hesitant. I would go back to even 2020s when we were so hesitant to be able to use AI in healthcare. People are now coming to us, like I was saying, and asking, how can we use AI? So it's a good problem to have. Now, that means that there is an intentional mindset shift that we are seeing across every organization that operates in healthcare for the need to deploy AI. There is, again, going back to the Gartner's famous hype cycle, that hype is there. Now it's about how, as technology organizations, we leverage and harness that hype responsibly and use that as an accelerator to modernize healthcare. And yes, it's going to be, at least for the next few years, I'm under no illusion that we're going to be able to find the right problems and see if AI is the right fit for that particular problem and solve the problem. Yeah, so the successful organizations that deploy AI and meaningfully use them, when I say deploy, there are organizations that have AI but not meaningfully used as well. So the successful organizations that deploy AI and see meaningful usage, and not just see meaningful usage, but have an impact on their business outcomes, right? That could be either financial or brand value, right? So from that perspective, what we are seeing is organizations that intentionally and prioritize what areas that they want to be able to use AI and make sure that they protect and preserve their organization's capabilities to be able to work on those